Lakha Kretroxi so Chengthenta constituency ke parlo Rongmong we blog arlo Kaipani Harlung Langso LP school ahem akimika vedera jok lo than bang pen danglok ke Charlie Klim somaratum ke doke thakjia phan anta penangana kisung nang dokok lo Bangso Harlung Langso LP school long lo ke Charlie Klim somar kaddu kawe bang pharo isi lekai ando Bonta lahai allo ke Charlie al Klim somaratum ke Charlie dunjia phan school ahem ke misen ka vedet penajok kang nijia phan anta penangana kisung nang dokok lo Lasinon ke do bom BJP sarkar hin pensita me loke Charlie hin abang ke RD ki pi pon abang ke nang sot binong Bangso puthak than bang pen ke pachini pon ateng ke bangso school hemalong non amat loke Charlie Klim somar bang chok kep so sedo Lapen la bangso school hemalong ke Charlie lake ki duk det also mar tum side lapen ke bang seta me ke ong dung atuma bang ke hello wing wing Lapen school hema bang ke damtang aningkan tomon ke japena jok e bhara bang ke tomon pondet Bonda school bangke lapusi lo tham bom Bangso hem ka hingno puthak pachini lo bonda non po anta sarkar tumpen thangmat asaita dengpon pilang pusi thanpon
LP and here is very difficult this house building condition is also not so that okay but more or less we are running in this remote areas because children and people are also very poor and all are coming from far distance. Some are 2 kilometers, some are 3, some are nearby. So small children are also finding difficult. This is our problem, and we are more or less our school condition is not so good because due to cyclone last year it is blown up and one side is totally damaged. Still we are running and we have given the complaint and report also. But still authority has not taken any initiative to repair or to grant any repairing grant or schemes. This is the problems. Still we are running nearby in the same compound. Any school is also there.
Lasi bangso Kaipani Harlung Langso LP school aphan mesen school hem nang pinangji posi Karbiang Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Lapen Karbiang Autonomous Council Education EM Richard Tokbia phan than bang atum pen ka chuning ri patupon Rongmong we pen lapsing terang Karbiang Long Lai